Okay, so how do we divide 3 times 10 to the power 8 over 3 times 10 to the power minus 7? There are many ways to do, but I am going to show you one of the very simple and easy to do way. Right. So the first thing what I would always recommend, start with the simple bracket. 3 times and make use of the shift and this so that you can activate 10 to the power straight away. 10 to the power 8, and before pressing the bracket always use this to cancel out so that you can activate the bracket at the right level. And division, divide by, again activate the bracket 3 times, again make use of shift and this to activate 10 to the power, and now you need to provide minus 7. And rather than straight away pressing the bracket, make sure you cancel that out. Now press the bracket, now press equal sign, so you will get the answer 1 times 10 to the power 15. So this is a correct answer to validate.